Hey guys, it's What's for Dinner. So today is Monday. It is gorgeous outside. Been outdoors, getting ready to plant vegetables, and thought we'd make something kind of fresh and light and delicious. So we are going to have a New York strip steak, and I always cook our steaks on the stovetop in a really hot pan. I put equal parts butter and olive oil, and then I add some of the trusty dusty Trader Joe's garlic that has no green stems, so it doesn't give you, tummy issue. So we're gonna have steak, and I'm making a homemade gorgonzola cream sauce dressing to put on Cobb salads. Not Cobb's, not Cobb. They are wedge salads, not Cobb salads. So we've got romaine, we've got heirloom tomatoes sliced up, some really nice gorgonzola. We have some crisp bacon that I chopped up that'll also go on the salad. And then in my little trusty dusty mixer here, I'm gonna add cream and half, a little bit of both, some sour cream. I've already put some of the garlic in there, and I'm going to add some Tabasco just for some zest. And of course, what would we do without strictly pepper? So we're going to grill those steaks. We're going to whip up the dressing, pour it over the romaine that's all nicely crisp and fresh, and make ourselves one nice little Monday night meal with that seared steak sliced thin and served. I don't like it on top. I'm going to put it on the side, so I don't like hot with my cold. Just like I'm the weirdo that doesn't like a hamburger that has lettuce, tomato on it, I take the lettuce and tomato off. But to each his own, and that's what we're going to have. And then Monday night, I think Monday night calls for dirty martinis. So we have martinis that we made with Tito's vodka and this glass I just love. Thank you, Lori Thiel. It's so beautiful. So here's to Monday night dinner. Share with us what you're making, and we'll tune in tomorrow to see what's happening. If it's maybe Philip Fredrickson is going to make What's for Dinner. So have a good night. Talk to you later. Trying to shut this thing off. I don't know how